you're enjoying the flight. We have established communications with Dhaka. Dhaka weather looks good, clear skies all around. Local temperatures around 31 degrees Celsius. We'll be cruising for a while and we'll start our descent in another 10 minutes or so. During our descent, we will fly through some layer of clouds. We'll have some turbulence, so please fasten your seatbelts when the seatbelt signs on. And we're expecting to land at Dhaka around 1:50 p.m. local time. Once again, thank you for choosing US Bangla. Hope to see you all again. Bye bye.